This is the only bike that I have that I didn't do any type of customizing or modification to. But I think it's time. Don't get me wrong, the bike looks alright like it is. You know, I took the side cases off because it makes it easier to get through New York City traffic, because I use this for commuting a lot. But it's something about it that just doesn't sit right with me, and it's more toward the tail end of it. I have to do something. I have to change it up a little bit. This is the part of the bike that throws me off a lot. I have to do something about this. And mind you, I'm not talking about the top case. I'm talking about the rear fender. I need the top case to put my helmet in when I park. It's this rear fender I don't like. Started out by removing the rear seat and unscrewing the two Phillip head screws under the seat. Next, I removed the 8mm bolt under the fender. And now the rear fender's off. Right off the bat, that looks so much better. But now I have to make a place for my license plate. So to solve that problem, I purchased a fender eliminator kit off of Amazon. The bracket is pretty well constructed. It's solid. One side to mount and one side for your plate. And two screws up into the mounting bracket. The bracket has some adjustability to it. With these screws, you can adjust it to fit however you like. And now it's all done. It has a much cleaner look.